no, it is 6 o'clock.
If we still sleep, we may miss the flight.
Our flight today is very important. Everyone must wake up now.
Tom, Lily, wake up, kids. We are almost late.
Okay, Mom. I am awake, but I am still so sleepy. Mom, can I have one more minute?
Not today, Lily. We are going on a trip by plane.
By plane? Really, Mom?
Yes, but if we are too slow, the plane will leave.
Oh no, I do not want to miss the flight. Me too. I will get dressed fast. Dad, should I wear this shirt?
Yes, that shirt is nice. You look very neat.
Thank you, Dad. I am ready now. Mom, I cannot find my small hat.
It is on the chair, Lily. Hurry up, dear.
I found it. Thank you, Mom.
Oh, there are many bags. We packed a little too much.
I can help you carry this small bag, Dad.
Thank you, son. You helped me a lot.
Everyone, get in the car. We must go to the airport now.
Can I sleep a little more in the car?
Yes, but you must wear your seatbelt first.
Has everyone settled down?
Yes, Dad. I am very excited. I am excited too, but my eyes still want to sleep.
Ethan, how far is the airport?
It is not far now. Only about 100 meters left.
Great! I can see the planes. Are we almost there, Mom?
Almost, dear. Dad just needs to take the last bag from the car.
Done! Let's go, kids! Our vacation starts now.
The weather is so nice today.
Yes, it is. Follow Mom and do not run away.
Okay, Mom. The airport is so big.
Hello? How many tickets does your family need?
We need 4 tickets, 2 for adults and 2 for children.
Here are your tickets. Have a nice trip.
Thank you very much.
Dad, I feel so happy. Me too. This place is so wide and bright.
Now we will sit and wait a little. It is almost time to board.
What will we do when we get there?
We will go to the hotel, visit the beach, and play together.
I want to build a big sand castle.
The flight is delayed because of the weather. Please wait 1 more hour.
Oh no. Will we miss our vacation?
No, dear. We just need to wait a little longer.
1 hour is very long, Mom.
I know. But safety is the most important thing.
You can drink some water and rest for a while.
Okay, Mom. I will be patient.
The flight is ready to leave. Please prepare to board the plane.
That is our plane. Come on, everyone.
The plane is so big. I saw one on TV before. Are we really going to fly in the sky?
Yes, we are. Walk slowly and watch your step.
We are almost at the plane door.
I want the window seat. I want to see the clouds too.
You can take turns looking outside.
Welcome aboard. Your seats are on the left side of the aisle. Thank you. Come on, kids.
The seats are so nice, Mom. Look, I can see the wing of the plane.
Great. Now, everyone, fasten your seatbelts.
Lily, sit back in your seat, please.
Yes, Mom. I feel a little nervous.
It is okay, dear. Dad is here with you.
The plane is moving now. Oh, we are going up.
Look at the clouds. They look soft like cotton candy.
I want to watch a cartoon.
Okay, but keep the volume low, please.
Yes, Dad. Oh, this cartoon is so funny.
Tom, the sound is a little loud. Can you turn it down?
I am sorry. I did not notice.
You should use headphones so you do not bother other people.
Yes, Mom. I will use headphones.
Good job, son. Dad is proud of you.
Please get ready for landing.
Great! We are here! We are finally here!
Slowly, kids. Watch your heads when you go out.
Hold hands, kids. The airport is very busy.
Mom, look at that big plane!
It is beautiful. But now we must get our bags.
The taxi is right outside. Let's go.
I cannot wait to get to the hotel.
Let's put the bags in the trunk first.
This big suitcase fits perfectly.
Hello, family. Where do you want to go? We want to go to the hotel near the beach.
I am so excited! Me too! I want to swim right away!
First, we will check in. Then we can go to the beach.
Look out the window! The trees are so beautiful!
The air here feels wonderful.
Our family had a busy trip, but it is fun.
We are at the hotel now.
Thank you, driver.
The hotel is so beautiful, Mom.
Hello. Would you like to check in? Yes. We booked a room for our family. Here is your room key. Your room is on the 5th floor. Thank you very much.
Is our room near the beach, Dad?
We will know when we get to the room.
Wow! This room is amazing! I can see the beach! It is right there!
Yes. After we rest a little, we will go to the beach. Let's rest for 10 minutes. Then we will get ready for the beach.
Only 10 minutes, Dad. I want to go to the beach now.
Before we go to the beach, we need sunscreen.
Okay. Now let's get ready for the beach.
Let's go! The beach is waiting for us. The atmosphere here is wonderful.
Let's build a sandcastle together, Tom.
Family time together is wonderful.
I wish time could stop right here. And it's wonderful that we're together.
Look how tall it is.
We did it. We finished the castle.